Do you know what makes a healthy breakfast for toddlers? It's more than just filling their tiny tummies to kickstart the day. An optimal breakfast for our little ones is a harmonious blend of key nutrients that fuels their boundless energy and sharpens their budding minds. Breakfast is indeed the most important meal for toddlers. It not only replenishes their energy after a long night's sleep, but also aids in their concentration and cognitive function throughout the day. Imagine the difference a nutritious morning meal can make as they explore, play, and learn. Let's break down the essential nutrients that should be on their breakfast plate. It all starts with proteins for growth and muscle development, carbohydrates for sustained energy, and a colorful array of vitamins and minerals to strengthen their immune system and overall health. Now that we understand the role of breakfast, let's delve into what a healthy breakfast for toddlers looks like. So, how can you prepare a balanced, nutritious breakfast for your toddler? Let's dive into some practical tips for making breakfast both delicious and healthful. Firstly, it's essential to include a variety of foods from different food groups. This ensures that your toddler gets a wide range of nutrients. Think of breakfast as a small plate with different sections for proteins, carbohydrates, fruits, and dairy. Let's start with proteins. Eggs are an excellent choice for breakfast. They can be boiled, scrambled, or even made into an omelet with some vegetables. If your toddler is not a fan of eggs, try other protein sources like cottage cheese or peanut butter. Next, let's talk about carbohydrates. Whole grain cereals or bread are great because they provide the energy your toddler needs to start their day. Just be sure to choose whole grain options as they are higher in fiber and other essential nutrients. Fruits are another important part of breakfast. They provide vitamins and fiber. Try to add a variety of colorful fruits to your toddler's breakfast. You could add sliced bananas to their cereal or serve a side of berries. The more colorful the plate, the more appealing it is to a toddler. Dairy is also a key component of a healthy breakfast. Yogurt, for instance, is a good source of calcium and can be easily combined with fruits or cereal. Look for plain, unsweetened yogurt and add your own fruits for sweetness. Lastly, remember that breakfast should be fun and engaging. One way to make it so is by using cookie cutters to create fun shapes out of whole grain bread or pancakes. This not only makes the meal visually appealing but also encourages your toddler to eat. In summary, a healthy breakfast for your toddler should include a variety of foods from different food groups. It should be colorful, fun, and tasty. Aim to include proteins like eggs or cottage cheese, carbohydrates like whole grain cereal or bread, fruits and dairy like yogurt. Remember, the goal is to make breakfast fun, appealing, and nutritious for your little one. While we're on the subject, there are some common mistakes you should avoid when preparing breakfast for your toddler. One of the most common pitfalls is leaning too heavily on sugary cereals or processed foods. Yes, they're convenient, but they often lack the necessary nutrients and are loaded with sugars and preservatives. Another mistake is skipping breakfast due to time constraints. We get it, mornings can be chaotic, but skipping the first meal of the day can leave your little one lacking in energy and concentration. Try to prepare ahead to avoid this. Lastly, not offering a variety of foods can be a disservice. Toddlers need a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats for balanced nutrition. If your toddler is stuck on one or two foods, don't worry, it's normal. Just keep introducing new foods alongside their favorites. Consistency and routine are key in establishing healthy eating habits. Avoiding these mistakes can help ensure your toddler gets a healthy start to their day. So, to recap, we've explored the significance of a nutritious breakfast in a toddler's day. It's not just about filling their bellies, it's about providing them the energy they need to learn, grow, and play. We also delved into practical tips for crafting healthy meals, from incorporating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables to ensuring a balance of protein, fiber, and good fats. We highlighted the importance of avoiding common pitfalls, such as relying too heavily on processed foods and sugar-laden cereals. It's about fostering good eating habits from an early age, which can set the foundation for a lifetime of health and well-being. Remember, a healthy breakfast sets the tone for the day. Now it's your turn to make breakfast time fun and healthy for your little one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with other parents who might find it helpful. Thank you for watching.